Guys, for today I'm going to show you how to make self-rising flour at home. And yeah, it's very simple. Just three ingredients: your all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. Hi, if you are new here, please welcome to my channel and subscribe. And just measure all the ingredients and whisk them together. I'll leave the measurements in the description below. Um, as you will see later on that the salt was difficult to sift. So I would advise that you can sift the flour and baking powder and add the salt after sifting because it can't go through the fine sieve. So that's we have it. Our homemade self-rising flour. Thanks for watching.